Hi, welcome to Vision IGCSE GCSE and A Level. So today we have to discuss the third advanced level questions. So these are really challenging questions. So suppose if you are good in B6 of surds, then you can watch this video and even you can stop this video, solve the question, and again you can check your answers. So if you want to continue with us for classes and all, I have left the contact in the description box. You can straight away connect with us. So here first one, it is given that a minus root of 3 bracket square is equal to b plus 3 minus b root of 3, where a and b are the integer. We have to find out the possible values of a and b. So here on the left hand side you have a minus root of 3 bracket square. So you can expand it using our basic formula, that is a minus b bracket square, which is a square minus 2ab plus b square, isn't it? So you can use this one to expand left hand side part, that is a square minus 2 times root of 3 times a plus root of 3 bracket square. Fine, this is just a basic expansion, which is equal to b plus 3 minus b root of 3. Fine, now simplify it. Actually it's a square minus 2 root 3 a plus 3, which is equal to b plus 3 minus b root of 3. Now you can take together real factors, okay? So that is a square plus 3 minus 2a root of 3, okay? And you can compare with the right hand side, which is here b plus 3 minus b root of 3. Now you have you can look at this one. You have a root 3 part on the right hand side, left hand side. You can compare them, and you have a just a means without root 3 part, without rational number part, it's a just a b on the right hand side, and left hand side it's a square plus 3. So you can compare them. A square plus 3 is equal to b. Fine, and on the right hand side you have a negative 2 and the other part is negative 2 is equal to 3 minus b. Fine, so here you can solve this to equation. So here equation 1 says that a square plus 3 is equal to b, and equation 2 says that minus 2 is equal to 3 minus b. And here you can substitute this b value in the second equation. All right, so it will be negative 2a is equal to 3 minus a square plus 3. Fine, and simplify this one. You will get the quadratic equation in a and solve them. Okay, so here negative 2a is equal to 3 minus a square minus 3. Fine, so this 3 get cancelled out, and we left with a square. You can transfer it to the left. A square minus 2a is equal to 0, means a you can take out common. A minus 2 is equal to 0. So here you have means a is equal to 0 or a is equal to minus 2 are the two values you will get. Now you can use any of the equation and solve this for b. B is equal to, from the first equation, a square plus 3. So you can substitute a is equal to 0, you will get b is equal to 3. And here if you substitute on the right part, if you substitute a is equal to negative 2, we will get the b is equal to negative 2 square plus 3, which is 4 plus 3 is 7. So b is 7. So we have a two set of values we will get. When a is equal to 0, b is equal to 3. Fine, or when a is equal to negative 2, b is equal to 7. I hope you are getting this one. Fine, so this is around 6 mark question. This is advanced level question, and you have to do it all this step by step process, and unless if you do it, actually you will not get marks even. Okay, fine. Yeah, we'll jump on to the second question. Second question says that the write 5 minus root 3 times root 6 plus root 2 minus raised to minus 2 in the form of a plus root 3, where a and b are the constant. So first of all, if you observe this one, we have a power negative 2, so it means you can take it to the denominator. So here we have a 5 minus root 3 upon root of 6 plus root of 2 bracket square. Yeah, you can write it like this, fine, and you can rest it just a simplification. Okay, so here again you have to expand it using formula a plus b bracket square, which is a square plus twice ab plus b square, fine. I will expand here only. So here we have a root of 6 plus root of 2 using this formula, that is root of 6 bracket square plus 2 times root of 6 times root of 2 plus here root of 2 bracket square, isn't it? Now here simplification part, root of 6 bracket square is just a 6 plus 2 root of 12 plus just a 2, fine, and then 6 plus 2 is 8 plus here. Now here simplification part of this 2 root 12 is root of 12 can be written as a root of 4 times 3. So you can take out 2 common. 2 times 2 is 4 root 3. And that's a simplification. 8 4 root 3. Fine. And this that's a denominator part. You can write as it is 8 plus 4 root 3. And numerator part 5 minus root 3. Now you have to simplify or rationalize the denominator. To rationalize the denominator, we have to multiply with its a conjugate, means 8 minus 4 root 3, fine, upon 8 minus 4 root 3. Okay, all right. So here again you have to simplify this whole thing. All right, so here you have a 5 times 8 minus 4 root 3 times minus root 3 times 8 minus 4 root 3 upon now a plus b and a minus b. So we have another formula, that is a plus b and a minus b, which is a square minus b square. You can use this one. Here means 8 bracket square minus 4 root 3 bracket square. All right, so 5 times 8 is 40 minus 5 times 4 20 root 3 minus 8 root 3. All right, then plus 4 times 3 is just a 12, and then denominator part is 64. 64 minus 4 square is 16. 16 times 3 is 48. All right, and then here 40 plus 12 52 minus 28 root 3 upon 64 minus 48 16, fine. And then we have to check whether we can simplify any of this part, fine. We can, of course. Okay, so we can divide whole these things by 4. All right, here 13 and 7, so you can write 13 by 4 minus 7 root 3 by 4, and that's a simplified form of answer. So if you do it like this step by step, you will get definitely out of out marks. Okay, so here this is in the form of a plus b root 3 form. All right, and here we have a is equal to 13 by 4 and b is equal to minus 7 by 4. That's the answer. Yeah, getting it? Then the last question that we will discuss, it's a 16 plus 11 root 10 upon 2 plus root 10. Here we have a plus 1. Now firstly we have to make the denominators same and we have to add them. So how we can make it? Look at here, 16 plus 11 root of 10 upon 2 plus root of 10. So plus here we have a 1. So we have a denominator, here 2 plus root of 10. So multiply here numerator and denominator by 2 plus root of 10 upon 2 plus root of 10. All right. Then now denominators are same, so you can add the numerator, isn't it? So it's 16 plus 11 root of 10 plus 2 plus root of 10 divided by, now here denominator just you can write 1, so 2 plus root of 10. Now the simplified form will be, it's a 16 plus 2 18 plus 11 plus 1 here 11 and plus 1, that is 12 root of 10 divided by 2 plus root of 10. Now you have to rationalize the denominator, means you have to multiply numerator and denominator by denominator's consecutive, that is 2 minus root of 10 upon 2 minus root of 10. Getting it? So it will be here again a plus b, a minus b. So we can write this one as firstly multiply even numerator part 18 times 2 minus root 10 plus 12 root 10 times 2 minus root of 10, and denominator part is just a 2 square minus 10 bracket square. All right, so here you have to expand it, so it will be 18 times 2 36, 18 times root of 10 minus 10, 18 root of 10 plus here 12 times 2 24 root of 10, and then minus 12 times 10. So here we have a 2 square, that is 4, minus 10. All right, so 36 minus 120, that is, so 36 minus 120 negative 84. Then here we have a surds are same, right? So 18 minus 18 plus 24 is basically 6 root of 10 divided by minus 6. Fine. And if you simplify it, means divide this negative 6 to each and every part, then we will get 14 minus root of, so it's like this 84 divided by negative 6 plus 6 root of 10 divided by minus 6. So answer we will get, it's a 14 minus root of 10, and that's the answer. You will get here out of out marks, even marking scheme is there. Fine. So I hope you understood this step by step. If you have any doubt, just comment in the comment box. Like and subscribe to our channel as well. Thank you. Enjoy the math.